There I go. Oh no! Hey, today we're going to open the VTECH Go-Go Smart Wheels Park and Learn Deluxe Garage. We can't wait to get it open. Going up. It's going up to the top floor. There goes the tow truck up to the top floor. Whee! Now let's put him back on and make him go down. Let's put him back on. Whoa! I want to go down to the first floor. There we go. Whoop. Hey, I see a surprise egg. Do you want to open a surprise egg? Right here? You see? There it is. It looks like a football. What's inside? What is it?
Please find a place to
Show
park.
Mommy. Turn it around. Let me see.
We're
It's
heading
a
off to school.
Gold Thomas. Wow. That's awesome. Cars are upside down. Can the fire truck help? Can he get them right side up? There we go. The taxi's right side up. Can he help the race car? Hooray! What about the police car? What about the helicopter? Good job. And what about the other race car? Yay! All the cars are safe. Good job, fire truck. Uh-oh, the tow truck's out of gas.
Oh.
Blue.
Let's get some gas.
My
10
tow truck
gallons.
is full of gas.
How much gas do we need? Let's get the premium gas. 91.
Red.
Fill it up. 10 gallons. Okay. Now we're all gassed up, we can park. And then if you turn the crank on top, it'll move it up and down.
I tow cars to the garage. Please find a place to park.
What is that cat doing? Kitty, come here. You want me to put the Put the truck on the gray part. That's green, yeah, good boy. There I go. Oh no! Now we're going to open the RC Smart Point Racer. How exciting! I hid another surprise egg. Can you get it? What's inside? Can you get it open? What is it? Let me see. Whoop! Where'd he go? It's Luke! Luke Skywalker.
It's time to move. 3, 2, 1, get ready to go. You grab the
Did you put all your cars in the box?
fasten your seatbelt.
That's cool.
Go.
Go down in the box. What you doing now?
Having fun, buddy?
Yeah, forward. That'll work. Yeah! Way to go. All right.
Find a place to park.
Home farm on.
All right. You push that police right back there.
3, 2, 1.
I'm gonna go to the top. Here I go. Oh no, I can't do it backwards. Somebody turn me around. Turn me around. Can you turn him around?
When there's a fire, dial 911 for the fire truck.
Where's he gonna go? Okay.
Let's go fight the fire.
There you go.
An emergency.
There he is. Whee! Woo! Hooray! What does helicopter say? Awesome! Good job. So how many cars do you have? Do you want to count your cars? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 cars? Wow! That is a lot of cars. What color's the fire truck?
Yeah.
Red. What color's the helicopter? Blue. What color's the taxi? Yellow. Good boy. What color's the tow truck on the bottom? Orange. What color's the police car? Is it black? White? Oh, white. And the race car, too. How cool is that? Yeah. What stamp do you have on your hand there? Let me see. Whoop. Can you show me? Can you show me your stamp? The baby dino. Can you say baby dino? This is an awesome garage. Do you like it? Yeah. What a good toy. Alright. You want to say bye-bye? Bye. Bye. Can you wave?
Bye.